video or actually film what I have to film. Yeah.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So earlier today I made a poll regarding whether I would be painting my jeans or sewing a cute skirt. So I just finished the poll and I have it here. So obviously you guys want me to paint my jeans, so we're going to do it. I have prepared my materials. Here is my box of paint. Yeah, that's a lot. I'm hoping that I still have white paint, but it looks like I don't have much of it. Oh no, I'm gonna be in trouble. And then I have my jeans. I'm gonna be painting this. And of course, my paint brushes, which are in pretty bad shape. I need to buy myself new ones, but since I still can't go outside because I'm under 21, I'll be just making use of these and painter's tape, which I got from Shopee. So I'll link in the description box where you can buy these materials. So let's go. you see like armpit hair, just ignore it because I've been on lockdown for almost like, I don't know, 2 months, going 3 months already. So I haven't been able to go to the waxing salon. So without further ado, here's the actual jeans that I painted. And yeah, so here are the jeans. When you look at it, this is a this is what do you call this? Mid high waist. Okay, it's a mid waist skirt. So mid waist skirt. It's a mid-waist pants. I mean, it's not mid-waist. But this is a pair of low-rise jeans. Okay, low-rise jeans. My fashion taste has changed over time, so I don't really wear I don't really wear low-rise jeans anymore. But since like the 90s thing is coming back, depends if I feel like it. But this is the Arizona apparel. So here's the final output. I've been stalling for so long. So as you guys can see, the color is actually pretty nice. I like this one more than this one because first of all, these colors are very dark. This is purple, this is pinkish red, and then this is blue. Since I didn't have white paint, it ended up very dark. So if you're going to plan to paint your jeans, make sure you have white paint. I didn't, and have a proper set of brushes because look at this. This was supposed to be like an electric line. Yeah, it did not work pretty well, but I mean, from afar it looks nice, so that's okay. And this is what I'm saying, that you have to like paint white on the pockets first if you're gonna use it, because as you can see, the orange and the yellow turned like green since the jeans are kind of dark colored. So so that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and the bell button so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. I'll be posting new DIYs soon. Whatever, I'll just think about it. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to click the thumbs up button if you like it. Thank you.